Every country lover knows that Dubarry boots and countryside life go together. Dubarry boots are made using a special process that combines soft, supple leather with a Gore-Tex lining. In addition, the sole is directly moulded to the boot, with no gluing or stitching, giving a perfect seal to keep out the water. The result is a fully waterproof and breathable boot. They can keep our feet warm and dry while we venture out in the countryside through muddy puddles and boggy ground. To put up with this day after day, a little aftercare is needed to keep them in good condition. The lifespan of Dubarry boots is greatly increased by regularly following a few care steps every time you get them mucky. We have heard of people using saddle soap to clean their leather boots, and we would strongly advise against this. Saddle soap risks softening the leather to the extent that it loses its shape, causing it to stretch and even collapse at the ankle. Another big no is using artificial heat sources to dry the boots. It is critical that the boots are dried at an even room temperature. Dry your boots out too fast with too high a heat and you risk cracking the leather. So without further ado, here's a step-by-step care guide for your boots. The first thing you need to do is to rinse off any mud, yard manure, dirt or salt with some fresh water. Next, you're going to apply Dubarry boot cleaner and scrub with a brush to help remove more ingrained dirt. The cleaner has been developed using skincare technology and it contains a light beaded material that aids in the removal of dirt and other residues. Then leave the boots to air dry away from a direct heat source. For best results, leave for 24 hours. The next day, spray Dubarry footwear protector all over your boots to renew the water repellent and stain resistant finish. Spray several layers, allowing the absorption of each layer before spraying the next. The product should absorb into your boots after 5 minutes. Wipe away any excess from the soles and welts. For the smooth leather on your boots, you can also apply Dubarry footwear conditioner to restore the water repellent finish and protect against oil damage and stains. Then allow your boots to dry naturally for 2 to 3 hours, or again, ideally overnight. This will let the Dubarry footwear protector and conditioner get to work. As an added measure for hard-working leather boots, finish with Dubarry leather cream, especially in the flex part of the foot. This will help protect and preserve the leather. Following this guide means that your Dubarry boots will be countryside companions for years to come.